Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Top features include heated front seats, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, turn signal indicator mirrors, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.